Somebody tell me please, 'cause this whole world is just really confusing me. Clouds as mean as you've ever seen, ain't a bird that knows your tune. Then a little voice inside of you whispers, kid, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, everywhere you go, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere you face, somebody who needs you. La 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 la. La 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 la. Whatever happened to the good old days? Talking to friends for hours, swore it'd never go away. Now I'm feeling a little crazy, trying to fit in with the
Hey Vikings, hope you had a great break. Enjoy this week's news. Hey Vikings, we got an exciting week ahead, so listen up. First, a big reminder to all our future leaders, ASB Spring petitions are due this Thursday, December 4th. If you are ready to step up and make a difference on our campus, now's your moment. Turn those petitions in and show us what Viking leadership looks like. Also on Thursday, our House of Representatives will be meeting in the ASB Commission Room during period 4. Reps, make sure you're there and ready to represent your class with pride. But we're not stopping there. Monday, December 8th is a late start. Zero period starts at 8:25 a.m. and if you don't have a zero period, enjoy that extra sleep because your first class won't start until 10:10 a.m. Recharge, relax, and get ready for a great week ahead. And Vikings, mark your calendars because on Saturday, December 6th, our Winter Wonderland dance is happening. Don't miss the fun, music, and holiday vibes. And Tuesday, December 9th, the Winter Choral Concert starts at the stage at MBHS BSSU at 6:30 p.m. Come enjoy our wonderful, talented performers as they bring the warmth, joy, and Viking pride of the season to the stage. That's all for today, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. The Winter Choir Concert, entitled I Wish You Christmas, is coming up on Tuesday, December 9th. Join us in the BSU for an exciting night of holiday music. It's going to be a little different this year. The choir will be presenting a dramatic reading, kind of like a mini play of How the Grinch Stole Christmas with music interspersed throughout the play. It's going to be a fun evening, featuring many familiar holiday songs that will make you want to sing along. The concert will begin at 6:30 p.m., but is free. Please come early and purchase some dinner. Come and have a Grinchy time. Also, the EMUHSD District Board of Trustees recently adopted a new policy regarding cell phone restriction that will take effect in January 2026. While they understand that phones can be helpful for student learning and well-being, they recognize that they can also be distractions in the classroom. The new policy will promote face-to-face connection, attentiveness, and academic engagement by permitting students to only use devices during non-instructional time in accordance with district guidelines. All devices will have to be stored in designated classroom storage systems. EMUHSD understands that this will be an impactful shift to students, so they will make sure to provide clear communication and support before the policy is taken into effect. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more important info about the View.
Hello, it's Miss Patty. I wanted to share information about the Saluna app. Saluna is a free mental health and wellness app for students ages 13 to 25. It provides quick access to supportive tools like peer community, mood tracking, journaling, breathing exercises, and coping techniques. Students can also connect with trained coaches for one-on-one support when they need to talk. Saluna is safe, confidential, and it's designed to help students build healthy coping skills. It does not replace therapy, but serves as an additional layer for support for students' well-being. Stop by the Wellness Center for any additional support or when you need a mental health break.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the View. First off, on Tuesday, December 2nd, girls soccer will host the Montebello Oilers here at the Viking Stadium with JV starting at 3:30 and varsity to follow. At the same time, girls basketball will host the Bolsa Grande Matadors here at the gym with JV starting it off and varsity next up. Next, on Wednesday, December 3rd, boys basketball will bring on the Baldwin Park Braves at the gym, with the freshmen beginning at 3:30 with JV and varsity lined up after. Finally, on Thursday, December 4th, boys soccer will head to Windward High School to face the Wildcats, with JV kicking it off at 3:15 and varsity soon after. A little later, girls soccer will host the Sierra Vista Dons at the Viking Stadium, with JV beginning at 3:30 and varsity to follow. At the same time, wrestling will host their first matchups against the South Amani Eagles here at the gym. Later that day, girls basketball will hit the road towards San Diego High School against the Cavaliers, with JV starting it off at 4:45 and varsity next in line. As always, make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for our VISTA live stream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next week.
Hey Vikings, today's video game recommendation is Fallout 4. It is an open-world action RPG set in a post-apocalyptic Boston 200 years after a nuclear war destroys most of civilization. You play as a sole survivor, the only person to escape the long-term cryogenic vault after witnessing your spouse's murder and your baby being kidnapped. You step out into the wasteland to search for answers. The gameplay mixes first-person or third-person shooting, RPG leveling, and the BAT system, which slows time to target enemy weak points. Your choices shape the story, the fate of the factions, and the future of the Commonwealth. The game is known for its freedom. Explore anywhere, build anything, and become whoever you want in a ruined but vibrant wasteland. That's it for me, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Mona Lisa by La Santa Grifa. La Santa Grifa is a Mexican underground rap group who mostly talk about reality struggles with fast-paced rapping and ominous beats. Despite being underground, they have a pretty loyal and big fan base. That's all for me, Vikings.
Hey everyone, today's TV show is Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai is about two former rivals, Johnny and Daniel, who reopened their karate dojos. Years after their famous fight in high school, old tensions return, and a new generation of students gets caught up in their rival, learning lessons about friendship, bullying, and standing up for yourself. That's today's TV show, Vikings. See you next week.
Hey Vikings, today's Spanish code is Más vale pájaro en mano que 100 volando, which translates to a bird in the hand is worth more than 100 flying, meaning it's better to hold on to what you have than to risk it for something that might not even happen. That's it for me, Vikings. See ya!
Good morning, Vikings. Welcome back to your weekly fashion tip. This week's spotlight is the knitted off-the-shoulder top. This cozy meets stylish piece is perfect for layering, perfect for winter to spring weather, and adds just the right amount of flair to any outfit. Pair it with high-waisted jeans, a cute skirt, or even layered accessories to elevate this look. Stay warm, stay stylish, and I'll see you next week for another Vikings fashion tip.
Welcome back, Vikings. For this week, a lot of people like to switch up their looks, and if you need a new hairstyle, TikTok is definitely the place to go. There are so many quick tutorials and inspo videos, and honestly, doing your hair even if you're not wearing makeup, it gives you that little boost of confidence that will just make you feel better every time. And for the gossip side of things, this week is pretty chill, so consider it a catch up on gossip. Whether it's with your family or your friends, this is the perfect time to chat, laugh, and just talk to the ones you love while you're all hanging out. But that's it for me, Vikings. See you next week.
Hi Vikings, this week's poll is which holiday do you prefer? Halloween, Thanksgiving, or Christmas? Vote on our QR code right here on screen and let us know. Thank you Vikings, see you next time. Hey Vikings, this week's movie is Interstellar. Interstellar is about a man named Cooper who travels into space to find a new planet because Earth is dying. He leaves his daughter behind and faces time and space challenges while trying to save humanity and return home to Earth. That's all from me Vikings, see you next time.
Hey Vikings, this week's recipe is French toast cookies. These cookies are soft and chewy and taste like maple and cinnamon. You can top these cookies with a little whipped cream and enjoy with coffee or milk. If you are interested to find this recipe along with the rest, you can find them on the Mountain View website. I hope you try them out. Enjoy, Vikings.
That's it for this week. Bye bye Vikings!